This is the line. This is the line. This is the line. Line becerang. Line becerang. Line becerang. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Hi. Where are you from?
From Sikkim.
Sikkim.
Gangtok,
I met a lot of Sikkim people today. How many of you are coming?
4 of us.
For all friends?
Yes.
How excited are you for Sheeran?
Very, very excited.
What song is the most favorite one?
I think perfect, but also thinking out loud.
Thinking out loud. What about your friends? Where's your friends?
Yeah, here.
Hi, what's your name?
Swarnima.
Huh?
Swarnima.
Konima. What about yours?
Siddharth.
Siddharth.
Yeah, same. Siddharth. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You just became friends. Huh? What's your favorite song?
My favorite's probably Shivers.
Shivers. No, I've never heard of that. Yeah?
I think perfect.
Perfect. Yours?
I think Lego House Photograph.
I've never heard.
Dive is good.
What song are you hoping that he'll perform? Like,
I actually hoped like he would perform Colorblind from his new album, but I don't think that's on his set list. I really wish he does.
I've not heard of that.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
gonna check it out.
It's a
What
new
about you?
album, that's
Yeah,
right.
it's on the new album.
Can't think of
New
anything
one.
right
Yes.
Can you sing it?
Huh?
Can you sing it?
I'm a very bad singer.
Okay, me and you both.
Huh?
It's okay.
Should I sing Thinking Out Loud then? When your legs don't work like
You
they
can
used
join
to
that, yeah.
before, and I can't take you up off your feet. When your mouth still remembers the taste of my love. We're loving you till we're 70.
Come on, I want to hear your voice.
Why?
Hear your voice? Okay, you take that from here. 1, 2,
Next.
3, go.
Thank you.
And baby, my heart still falling hard. It's way free.
Mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of her hand. Me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am.
Love in your arms.
Are you guys gonna sing along today?
Yes.
Guys, flash your bands, flash your bands, flash your bands.
Tengi kalan nang ne shadow satai ka badang cengai ba bat sati sharom ru kumju kibre kirang yang kadang up ya kata ka cingwan jong Sheeran menta kadang dai ka por mensingi te ka konser kan tang sibet nyobe je han bat kibre ko kumba ka sarkar jala jongi ka Sheeong ba diwan kitores na bar yang ini skap kitores kiwan na. Where are you from?
I'm from Haryana.
Haryana.
Yeah.
How many of you are coming here?
Many of my friends, we are from Nigrims actually.
From?
Nigrims.
From the, oh, you
Yeah,
work here?
yeah, exactly.
Okay.
I study here.
One favorite song of yours at Sheeran?
Mine is Tides.
Mine?
Tides. Mine favorite song is Tides.
Thai.
Yeah.
Okay, Thai. Yours?
Photograph.
Photograph. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Assam.
Assam from?
From Tinsukia. Actually, I study in Guwahati, Cotton.
How many of you guys are here now?
5.
5. All friends.
Yes, yes.
Sheeran.
Girls trip. We have went to Nongsong, then we came here today.
How long are you planning to stay?
No, we will go tomorrow.
What song are you most excited about today? Like
Photograph.
which song? Photograph. That's your favorite?
Yes, yes.
Can you sing us a few verses?
No, I can see.
I'll sing along with you. You start.
So we can keep me inside the pocket of your jeans, holding me close until the eyes meet. Sorry.
Ini keteng Alex mga iban ini pusa.
Start. Yeah, start saya jadi
Nya sak mulai.
Mulai.
Oh.
Semua pun nak kata konser jong Sheeran mentah.
Iso komen iso long excited.
Pak Dio
Balat. Ha pa yo rung katarung le mi kloy.
Ayo
Ba yo.
tiket, Pak,
Ha ayo tiket shit mah.
Kat nanti jura Sheeran pila.
Ni buan jan baro sarai bala.
Hari itu si ujar kawai ke kam sobang tam.
Mga subang ha de Galway girl. Te ka perfect. Itu diklat let
Tapi
video clean.
Mga thinking out loud. Kita lại hit the billion views
ya,
eh.
Mafipan.
Afterglow.
Aha.
Afterglow.
After blue.
Blood glow.
Afterglow.
Afterglow. Oh, afterglow. Baru saya suka. Favorite song. Yo, kibalayo orang. That is kibri kelahiran. Kibri baru kelahiran Maria lalu dapat Sheeran.
I'm from Himachal and my husband is from Odisha.
I'm from Odisha.
Odisha.
Yeah.
How excited are you for this?
We are super excited for this, and we are trying from a long time to get the tickets, and finally got the tickets for Shillong.
Do you know any songs? Your
She's
favorite
prepared. I am not that much prepared.
songs? Much of that Sheeran fan.
Yeah, we are good fans, but not that much. Itna nahi.
He's
Also,
How long have you?
we are here for 4 days. Yes.
So tell me, what's your favorite Sheeran song?
Mine is Perfect.
Perfect. Can you sing us a few? Just a few words. No. How excited are you?
I'm super excited.
On the scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10.
10. Yeah, definitely 10 on 10.
Okay, have a good time. Huh?
Thank you so much.
Carol, how excited are you?
Very excited. Can't breathe. We're running out of breath.
What's up? That sound that you're hoping that Sheeran will.
I think for me it'll be photograph.
Okay, for
Photograph.
me, we'll be thinking out loud.
How is it, the photograph? What's the chorus?
What's the chorus? This is sorry.
Me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. So wait for me to come home.
You guys have a good voice.
Oh, thank you. She has a good
Yes, we will. We will sing our hearts out.
Terang nak dapat terima. Sedang mati.
I found a love for me, darling. Just dive right in.
And follow my lead.
Come on.
I found a boy, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we was the kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes, you're holding mine, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tapi pastor tadi pastor. Tu di kelas cek. Suaban yo rung sapok. Ayo rung sa.
Para le.
Jeng upline kalau kemana Sheeran 41 tambah kita lagi Sheeran dang siap kerai hayeng ni lah apa.
My name is Weber Puranik. I have just recently turned 32 years old, which is basically turning 18. I'm a clinical psychologist. I'm doing my PhD right now in clinical psychology. Right now we're out here at Ed Sheeran's concert. As you all can see, he's not here. She has used the Y2K hair braiding instrument, and she's done really beautiful teardrop.
For people who doesn't know what Y2K is,
That's the year 2000. And obviously people don't know that because you're Gen Z or Gen Alpha. Guys, wake up. You've had internet since the day you were born. Get your strategies right.
most of us are very outdated. We don't know.
Yeah, that's what you get for being a boomer. Sorry, not sorry.
My name's Amy.
Amy,
Yeah.
what's your favorite Ed Sheeran song? Sing us one song.
No, I can't sing a song. My favorite Ed Sheeran song is Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, you sing perfect for her.
Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love?
A ginger flavored Cheerio. A
Cheerio. That's Cheerio. What's your favorite song?
Give me love.
Give me love.
Oh,
Now sing one verse.
It's like, mama, give me love, mama, give me love. It's so depressing. Once they light us home, that one. I hope that's the name. I think that's the name.
What about you? Hey,
this
hey.
one.
Ada mana filaring gitu?
Oh,
Wait. One more. Everything.
It's his concert. He'll sing what he wants. No, you can sit down and make you can make that read and be like, I really hope he sings Love Story, and then it's Ed Sheeran playing. Yeah.
What do you have to say?
That doesn't even make sense because he actually sang the majority of the lines in this song. And that's what true fans know from many years ago.
You're missing out, man.
If you've never seen my show before, everything you hear tonight is completely live. This is called a loop pedal. There's no backing track whatsoever. It's made live. And at the end it's deleted and it won't be the same at the next gig. The way that it works, you press record like this, and when you press play, it plays back. You can add layers on top of it. Add a layer. In 9 days' time, it's going to be 3 years since I lost my best friend. And it was just a phone call from his mum in the morning telling me that he died. And then that was it. I didn't see him again. But I went through a stage of grief called denial, where I convinced myself that it was a mistake and that I probably would see him again. And we would bump into each other. And I sort of felt like this for a month until his funeral, until like physically seeing his coffin. But I wrote this song in that month period where I thought that he might come back. It's called Eyes Closed. Split down the middle, right here. Everyone along the front, all the way to the back. You were the lower harmony. And everyone along the front, all the way to the back here. You were the higher harmony. Lower harmony, higher harmony. Whatever I give you to sing, do not stop singing. You sing it as loud as you can for as long as you can. Lower harmony, say yeah. Higher harmony, say yeah. It's so much louder than you guys. Try that one more time. Say yeah. Repeat after me, don't stop singing. Sing whoa. Keep singing that, keep singing that. Everyone listen. Sing whoa. Sing it loud for me, come on. Give me love. Keep singing it. Hey. Give me love. Give me love. Give me love. As loud as you can. Here we go. Sing. Give me love. 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 Shillong, you are the sixth city that we visited in India, and you are by far the loudest. I'm thinking about